Hi there, everybody. My name is Jimmy Newland, and I'm going to be facilitating the STEM coding workshop at the in-person Sacramento 2023 summer meeting of the American Association of Physics Teachers. And I want to tell you why you should consider doing this workshop. We're going to be learning how to do physics modeling by making some video games. So physics of video games kind of activities. That's what STEM coding is all about. It's also going to be an opportunity just to talk about using computer science and computational thinking in physics classes and physical science. Some of the activities work for ninth grade, and I'm using them with my AP Physics C students right now, actually. So it kind of works at multiple levels. This is also one of the cheapest workshops you're going to see at AAPT. Not only is it 75 bucks for a member and 100 for a non-member, but there's a good chance you're going to get your money back. We have a grant. And we're going to be able to reimburse quite a bit of the money. Members probably will pay $25 when all is said and done, and non-members would pay $50 out of pocket. So if you're not a member, non-members would pay $50 out of pocket. So you should definitely consider doing this. I myself am a physics teacher, but I'm also working on a PhD in how to use computational thinking to teach physics. So this is right in my zone professionally and as a student. It's a lot of fun to do STEM coding activities, to do video games that have cool physics. So you should come and join us and see what it's all about. I hope to see you there.